Hello again, it's those galleries and it's Mad Lib's Dice time. So let me pick 4 things. Unicorns. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Mad Lib's Junior Pets.
A bit of Halloween around.
And let's see. The Easter Bunny. Okay, Krista, pick 4.
Ugh.
You're 5%. Ugh.
Let's see. I'll put DC Comics up there. And unidentified flying Mad Libs. And Avengers is.
No, not Avengers is.
Avengers are mad on their own.
Yeah.
And Spider-Man.
World's greased.
Oh, let me join!
He didn't want to join. He's a loser. No, it's-
World's greased word game.
Ew.
Agreed. Okay, Adrian,
So
pick yours.
Gwyneth is quitting Marvel. Does that mean Pepper's gonna die?
Yes.
Or will they replace her with an actress that looks nothing like her?
They're gonna make her pregnant and then she's gonna die during birth.
Oh gosh.
Well, that's comics for you.
Yep.
Pokemon. And then the baby is Ironheart, and Tony says, "That's not mine."
Yeah.
Also, so she says that when she's dying.
Gosh. That's her last words.
Ironheart's pathetic. I didn't like her comic.
Her last words are oops.
Grinch.
She was actually with the Black Iron Man.
Finding Dory.
People who don't know anything about Marvel and they're like, what the world are we
What
talking
the
about?
heck, guys? What the heck?
What the Hank?
What the heck? What the heck?
Oh, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Okay, so we have our choices. What did I do with the die?
It's on the book.
Oh, it's on the book over here. Okay,
Die
I
in
rolled
the
the
book.
dice. I rolled the dice, and I got a 4.
rolled
1, 2, 3,
the
4.
dice.
I will pick Avengers's.
Feel
I'm
the
an
fears
Avengers.
my enemy's eyes.
Marissa.
And then we get copyright flagged because of what I said.
Oh no.
3. One of my common numbers. People don't care about my common numbers. DC Comics.
Okay, so
Oh,
I got
have you ever
Marvel
done
and
that before?
DC.
Maybe. I don't know. Possibly once.
6. Okay, Guardians of the Galaxy.
So 2 Marvels and 1 DC.
I wonder how superheroes.
In a nutshell.
It's a bull soup with a cape.
Oops. I polluted.
Super duper man.
All
Okay.
superheroes have capes, right? Right?
They're
Right?
not a superhero if they don't have a cape.
And underwear on the outside?
Super
No,
duper
this
man.
book is nearing the end.
What was I thinking?
There's only a few left in here.
And I did most of them.
Okay, so I need some good words. A place.
Tony's bathroom.
Okay, an adjective.
Clumsy.
Person in room male.
Cody.
Verb.
Fart.
What?
Fart.
Fart?
Is that a verb?
Yeah. Adjective.
You said grosser things than that.
I know. Go ahead. Adjective.
Loud.
What?
Loud.
Okay. Noun.
Trash panda.
Adjective.
Scruffy.
Number.
15.
Working in ing.
Swinging.
Part of the body.
Vise.
Okay, exclamation.
What? I'm sorry.
You should be.
Okay,
That's too boring, isn't it?
adjective.
Dirty.
Type of food.
Mashed potatoes.
Okay, verb.
Trip.
Adjective.
Cruel.
Noun.
Goat.
Okay, Battle of the Bridge. Between Tony's bathroom and Asgard, home of Thor, lies the Rainbow Bridge. It's guarded by Thor's friend, the brave and clumsy warrior Cody. But when the Frost Giants wanted to fart the bridge to attack Earth, even loud Heimdall had to put out a call for help. I stand by you with Mjolnir in the trash panda of Earth, Thor said. Thor threw his scruffy hammer and sent 15 giants swinging to the ground. But before the hammer returned to him, a giant thighs closed around Thor and lifted him into the air. With a loud cry of "What?" Heimdall's dirty sword shattered the giant as though he were made of mashed potatoes. That made the rest of the giants trip with fear. Thor said, "You destroyed their cruel leader and saved me. You made me proud to call you Goat." You're talking about Heimdall?
I guess so.
He's gonna call Heimdall Goat.
But you know, goat's like a slang thing now that stands for greatest of all time.
Really?
So I guess it's sort of a compliment then.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, whatever, huh?
You got
Okay.
lifted by a frost giant's
Giant
thigh.
thighs.
So how did it lift him without being knocked off the ground since he was using both thighs?
Who knows? It's madness. It doesn't make sense.
Oh, my shoulder. Wow, we did a lot of DC Comics before.
Oh my gosh, that's because we're better. W for Wonder Woman.
Person in room.
Carissa.
Ew, the pin is like a thing hanging off it.
Thing?
Thing. Noun.
Crunchy.
That's
Oh wait, it's not a noun. God. Sonic the Hedgehog.
You know, that's what my mom said when she was given the pen to sign my birth certificate. She said, "Ew, the pen has a thing hanging off it."
Ew.
Noun.
Robin.
Number.
-29.
Noun.
Razor.
Adjective.
Bloody.
Noun.
Snake.
Part of the body.
Nostrils.
Verb.
Crawl.
Adjective.
Sticky.
part of the body.
Arms.
Adjective.
Stinky.
Color.
Teal.
Part of the body, plural.
Prostates.
Oh, why you chose that? Okay. Verb.
Lick.
Plural noun.
Cockroaches.
Adjective.
Hot.
Okay, Big Trouble. This is Carissa in the New York City News traffic helicopter, reporting live from the harbor, where the Sonic the Hedgehog of Liberty is under attack by the giant
no.
robin Giganta. It looks like Giganta is trying to uproot the negative 29-foot tall Razor of Freedom from its base, and police are unable to stop her. Wait a moment. It looks like, yes, here comes Wonder Woman in her amazing bloody jet. The Amazon princess has landed her snake on the statue's nostrils. Giganta is trying to crawl Wonder Woman away, but the sticky heroine has taken hold of the villain's arms and is using her stinky strength to flip the giant into the water. Now Wonder Woman is using her teal lasso to trap Giganta's prostates and lick her away. Ladies and cockroaches, the Statue of Liberty is safe thanks to Hot Woman.
Hot woman.
Oh my gosh! I'm more than just my looks. Says that and barely wears any clothing.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Why? Why are we blurry?
I don't know. Maybe it's out of focus. Okay.
Plural noun.
Grasshopper heads.
Number.
97.
Verb.
Kicked.
What?
Verb.
Verb.
Kick.
Noun.
Football.
Verb.
Slit.
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 Slit?
Yeah, you slit something.
Okay, I just want to know if you're saying slit or slip.
Oh, yeah, slit.
Plural noun. Oh no, I'm losing my hair. No, I'm not.
I know it thinks your pimples are a face.
Ew!
Oh, it's skin.
Wait, what'd you say?
Plural noun.
Oh, freckles.
Verb.
Slapped.
Plural noun.
Kitties.
Adjective.
Hot.
Noun.
Rose.
Plural noun.
Pimples.
Verb. Adjective.
Frostbitten.
Verb.
Stomp.
Plural noun.
Dog tails.
Okay, what has the galaxy ever done for you?
Oh no.
Will, this is why none of you have any grasshopper heads. 97 seconds after you meet someone, you're ready to kick them. Rocket, what are you, a football? Why would you want to slit the universe? What's it ever done for you? Will, well, I'm one of the freckles who live here. I slap around and you know what I see? Losers. I mean kitties who have lost stuff. Drax, you're hot. I was a rose. All the anger, all the pimples, it was just to clean my loss. Gamora, everybody's lost frostbitten people. It's no excuse to stomp everyone else dead. Rocket, you're making me beat up dog tails.
Oh gosh, okay.
So Drax says that Quill is hot.
Yeah.
And then he says he's a rose.
Well, that's Drax for you. Okay, so let us know if you like one the best. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, guys.